Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this cosmic smooshy marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. Today we're going to be doing a smooshy marble using some colors from the new Orly Terra Nova collection. This purple is Starlit Shale. Then we have Bedrock Bloom as well as Sky Stone. I'm going to be topping the smooshy with Shine Crazy Diamond as well as Twilight. But first I'm going to be using white tips as my base color. I did go ahead and apply some liquid latex around my nails. Sometimes it's possible to do a smooshy without making a mess, but I didn't want to take any chances. I'm going to be working with 2 drops of each color on a stamper head, and once I have it applied, I'm just going to smoosh it onto my nails. Once I'm done with the smooshies and the accent nails, I'm going to go in with a Q-tip for any larger areas for cleanup, and then closer to the nail with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. cleanup, I'm going to go ahead and apply the toppers, starting with Twilight. After both toppers are applied, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. When I first received the Orly Terra Nova collection as PR, I kind of wanted to try and recreate the box art, and we did a bit of testing for that, but I just wasn't very pleased with it, so I decided to go with a Smooshy instead. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can enjoy the sparkle of these two toppers. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, which also includes my first impressions of that collection, as well as the unsuccessful testing, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. Or, if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.